Hello students, welcome to Ambuja Public School, Rabriavas. And today I am going to explain you about me and my health. Yes, so let's speak about our health. So in this topic, EVS topic, me and my health, I am going to explain you about few topics which are healthy food, unhealthy food. Yes, second one is unhealthy food, good habits and bad habits. These four topics I am going to cover under this topic, me and my health. So let's talk about healthy foods and unhealthy foods. Now let's see that what are healthy foods. Okay, healthy foods are foods that fill up our stomach and provide us with energy. These are healthy food. It keeps our mind and body healthy. It keeps our body active and strong. Okay. So vegetables are very healthy food for our body. Healthy foods keep our bodies disease free. We should eat food that has vitamins and minerals. So these type of foods are healthy foods. It includes vegetables, fruits, milk products, cereals, pulses, all are comes under this. But these are unhealthy foods, also called junk food, because it contains high levels of sugar, calories and fats with less vitamins and minerals. Excess levels of calories can lead to weight gain or obesity. So these type of foods are called junk foods, and junk foods are not good for health. They makes us ill. Okay, like cake, pizza, donut, chocolates, ice creams, cokes, french fries, all are comes under the unhealthy food. Okay, all are unhealthy food which makes us ill. They are not good for our health. Okay, now always make smart choices. Whenever you would like to eat food, you have to make smart choices of your food. So you should think before you eat. So vegetables and goods are good for health, but these junk foods you can eat once a while. So let's do one activity, healthy food and junk foods. I am having few cards and let's do one activity that identify that which one is healthy food and which one is junk food. So we have to identify these and put them in their proper place. So let's start. First one, are you able to see? The first one is the image of a pizza. Okay, this is pizza. So pizza will, can you tell me that pizza is a healthy or a junk food? Which type of food is this? Yes, pizza is a junk food. We can eat very less. Okay, so pizza is a junk food. So I am going to put this pizza card under the heading of junk food. Under the heading of junk food. So let's see. I am going to placing this under the heading junk food. Yes. Now second one. Are you able to see the second card? Yes. The second card shows us eggs. Yes. Can you tell me? Eggs are healthy or junk food? Which type of food is this? Yes. Eggs comes under healthy food. So look, I am going to place this card, healthy food. Now next card is of milk, and you all know that milk is good for health. We should drink milk every day. So milk is healthy food. So I am going to place this card. Yes, it's a healthy food. Now next one is yummy candy. Everyone can love the candies. Okay, it's very sweet. Okay, so we like it very much, but these type of candies are not good for health. So it comes under junk food. Yes, very nice. Now next one is nuts. You all know that nuts are good for our mind and health. Yes, it gives us many micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. It is good for our health. So it is healthy food. So next one is burger. And you all know that burger is not good for health. Yes, burger is not good for health. So the burger will come under the heading of junk food. Yes, it's a junk food. Now, next one is carrot. As you all know that vegetables are very good for health. It makes us healthy. So, it's a healthy food. All vegetables comes under healthy food. So, carrot is a vegetable and it will come under healthy food. Now, next one is fish. The students, those who are eating fish, they know that fish is good for health. So, fish is healthy food. Yes, fish comes under healthy food. Now, chips. Each and every child loves chips. Chips are very, very tasty and yummy. But chips comes under the heading of junk food. Yes, chips are comes under the heading junk food. Let's see. Yes. Now, next one is an apple. As you all know that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means vegetables and fruits are always good for health. They gives us very good health. So, it will comes under healthy food. Yes. And next one is our French fries. We all love French fries, but more and more if you want to eat French fries are not good for health. Okay? More and more if you are eating French fries, it's not good for health. So, it will comes under the heading of junk food. So, French fries are junk food. Yes, now next our very favorite yummy ice cream. We all love ice creams. We all like to eat more and more ice creams during summers, but it contains sugar, so it's not good for health. So it is a junk food. So dear students, let's see the difference between the healthy food and junk food. So we should eat healthy foods to make ourselves healthy, to keep us healthy. Let's move towards the good habits. Yes, personal hygiene and fitness. Good habits. Okay, what are good habits? Early to bed, early to rise, and makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So we should go early to bed and wake up early in the morning. Take a bath every day. Yes, we should take a bath every day. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. Wash hands again and again because now it's corona time. We should save ourselves from corona. Eat healthy food. Yes, we should eat healthy food as I told you, which are healthy food. So you have to use more and more healthy food. Drink lots of water. Yes, you should drink lots of water, but you should finish your meal. Yes, it's a good habit. Okay? Finish your meal is a good habit. You should do exercise daily. Every day try to do some exercise, yoga or aerobics for your good health. Comb your hair. Yes, you should comb your hair every day. Yes, wash your clothes. You should wear clean clothes. You should wear ironed clothes. Wear clean clothes. It gives you very smarty look. Okay? So always wear good clean clothes and trim your nails once in a week. So clean your ears regularly. You should clean your ears and you should pray to God every day. Pray to God every day. And never waste food and water. You should be very careful while using water. Never waste food and water. You have to take that much of amount only, whatever you like to eat. Don't take more amount in your plate. Okay, so you have to, no need to waste the food. Cleanliness is very good habit. Use a dustbin. Don't throw on the roads. Okay, you should use a dustbin. Now keep your surroundings clean. It's our duty that we should keep our surroundings clean. We should not throw waste anywhere. We should keep our room also clean. Don't throw toys everywhere. Okay, we should clean our room, clean and organize desk. Okay, we should organize our desk every time. Do not scribble on your books. Now students are doing scribbling on the books, so we have to keep them clean and organized. No scribbling. We should keep our classrooms also clean. Don't throw the papers here and there. Okay. We should keep our toys well organized. Yes. So dear students, I hope you all understand about the good habits and bad habits and healthy and unhealthy food. Thank you.